Brandon, guess what? We're making pancakes today. Put them in the dish that it won't break. You know why? Because we're gonna flip it at the end and you don't want it breaking, okay? While it's hot, let's poke some holes. All right, so I'm poking some holes so we can add the slurry. I call it a slurry because it has the butter, the vanilla, and the milk and the syrup. And it will help absorb in the middle. Put everything in a pot. 2 tablespoons of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, your milk, almond milk, oat milk, regular milk, and your favorite pancake syrup. So all goes, follow me. Off, swirl the butter. So I'm gonna add a whole cup right here, nice and hot. Ah, the bubbles absorbing right here on the stove. I'm gonna put a cover on it, and I see you later. About 40 minutes. It's been 30 minutes.
It got bigger.
Yeah, twice the size almost. So that's the bottom part. So look how soft it is, okay? There you go. And this right here, my friend, is your puree, or how we call it, slurry pancake.
To double the size.
So let's do the test. Look. So it should cut through the prongs, and then when I pick him up, nothing should be leaking down. So it's no moisture, right? Now, if I puree somewhat and hold it to the, then look, I can hold it sideways, flick it. That's a perfect puree. There we go.
It dissolves around your mouth.
Oh no, correct?
Wow.
You didn't have to chew, just
no. But it looks so in whole.
If you have a loved one or you know someone that you can pass this along, please subscribe, follow us, share it.
Just trying to help some people out.
It is nothing out there to help anybody with a dysphagia diet problems at home. At work, I'm a hospital chef, so at work we can make it happen, correct? But at home, who does it? Nobody. So now I'm showing you that it can be done, okay?
Cool.
See you later.